Hello, welcome to the Great Garden channel. Have you ever imagined having a garden that is always lush, full of vitality, and bursting with vibrant flowers? In today's video, I will share with you an organic fertilizer formula that can be applied to all types of plants in the garden. This formula is extremely simple, completely natural, and uses only familiar ingredients right from the kitchen that anyone can make. After a short time, you will see white, plump roots growing, thick green leaves that are shiny and full of life, and flower spikes starting to stretch out, with buds appearing all over the plant, signaling a season of simultaneous, bright, and long-lasting blooms. If you are a beginner, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any useful orchid care tips from us. Let's get started. To make this type of organic fertilizer, we need to use rice. Rice is a readily available kitchen ingredient, rich in vitamins, minerals, and starch. Very beneficial for plants. I use 3 tablespoons of rice. Next, put them into a cup like this. Then add 500 milliliters of clean water at room temperature. Finally, stir well and let it sit for 15 minutes. Next, I'll make use of half a carrot that's been forgotten in the fridge for quite a while to make today's batch of organic fertilizer. I'll cut the carrot into small pieces. Carrots are rich in vitamin A, potassium, and natural antioxidants, which help boost the plant's vitality, promote strong root growth, and make the leaves thicker, greener, and shinier. When chopped into small pieces, the nutrients in the carrot are fully released, allowing plants to absorb them more easily and maximize their nutritional benefits. Next, put all the chopped carrot pieces into a cup. The next ingredient is garlic. Garlic contains many natural antibacterial compounds such as allicin and sulfur, which help inhibit fungal diseases, harmful bacteria, and effectively repel insects. I use 2 cloves of garlic. Next, slice the garlic into thin pieces so that nutrients like allicin can be easily released, helping the solution maximize its antibacterial, antifungal effects, and promote strong root growth. After slicing, I add all the garlic into the cup with the carrot. Then, add 500 milliliters of clean water at room temperature. Finally, stir well and let it sit for 15 minutes. While waiting for the mixture to soak, I'll lightly water the plants in my garden. This isn't just a casual step. It's an important technique that helps wake up the roots and prepare them to absorb nutrients more efficiently. When rinsed with clean water, the growing medium becomes evenly moistened, while also washing away accumulated salts, dust, and impurities around the roots. As a result, the environment around the roots becomes cleaner and more aerated, allowing them to breathe and exchange nutrients more effectively. This light layer of moisture also helps activate the root tips, allowing them to expand and enhance the transport of water and nutrients. When the organic fertilizer solution is applied afterward, the nutrients will be absorbed more quickly and distributed more evenly, helping the plant take in everything effectively without experiencing fertilizer shock or root burn. After rinsing, lift the plant out to start applying the organic fertilizer. After 15 minutes, strain out the residue. This step is very important as it removes all the remaining fibers and particles, making the solution smoother and clearer. It also helps prevent clogging of the spray nozzle during watering and avoids residue buildup on the leaf surface. Finally, add 1 liter of clean water to dilute the solution. And that's it. The solution is now ready to be used as organic fertilizer. Let's apply it to the plants in your garden together. Method 1. Gently pour the prepared solution into a small cup. Then, use a soft cloth or cotton pad to lightly soak up the solution and carefully wipe each side of the plant's leaves. First, I'll wipe the leaves of the kalanchoe plant. When caring for kalanchoe, you need to handle it very gently, as the leaves are thin and can easily get scratched if rubbed too hard. The solution made from carrot, garlic, and rice helps completely remove dust, mineral deposits, and long-standing residues on the leaf surface, while restoring their natural shine and enhancing photosynthesis. In addition, regularly wiping the leaves allows you to closely observe the plant's condition, detect pests or early signs of root weakness, and keep your kalanchoe vibrant, lush, and evenly growing. For best results, do this once or twice a week. Method 2. Pour the solution into a spray bottle and evenly mist the entire plant, including the leaves, stems, roots, and leaf joints. For rose plants that are in the blooming stage, you should avoid spraying the solution directly onto the flowers. Rose petals are thin and sensitive to high humidity. If water accumulates on them frequently, they can easily become waterlogged or develop brown spots, reducing the flower's longevity and beauty. Instead, lightly spray around the leaves and the base of the plant to provide sufficient moisture and nutrients while keeping the flowers dry and fresh for longer. You can also use this fertilizer solution to water anthurium plants. Spraying the mixture made from carrot, garlic, and rice allows nutrients to penetrate all parts of the plant, providing vitamins, minerals, and beneficial natural compounds. Spraying both the upper and lower surfaces of the leaves helps nutrients absorb deeply and distribute evenly, enhancing nourishment and protecting the plant. This method should be applied once a week during the first month, then reduced to once a month to maintain long-term effectiveness. After each spraying session, let the plant rest for about 15 minutes so the roots and leaves can fully absorb the nutrients, maintaining vitality and strong resistance. If there's still water left on the leaves, gently wipe it off with a soft cloth or clean cotton pad. This step is very important because water droplets create an ideal environment for mold, bacteria, and pathogens to grow. If you don't dry the leaves after watering, you may later notice yellow spots appearing. This happens when leftover water on the leaf surface gets burned by sunlight, damaging the leaves and weakening the plant over time. By drying the leaves, you proactively prevent harmful agents, reducing the risk of leaf rot, stem rot, and other common plant diseases. Method 3. Pour the mixed solution into a watering can. Then, start watering around the base of the rose plant. Roses love moisture, but require well-aerated roots. Therefore, when watering, you should water gently around the base, avoiding waterlogging that can cause root rot or fungal diseases. Make sure to water evenly and gently around the base so the water gradually seeps into the root system, allowing the plant to absorb it effectively without eroding the growing medium. In addition to roses, I'll also water the orchids. This watering method not only provides natural compounds from garlic, carrot, and rice, but also helps the plants resist fungi and bacteria, reduce leaf yellowing and root rot, and nourish overall growth from roots to leaves. Therefore, you should water once a week during the recovery stage, then reduce to 1 to 2 times a month to maintain stable nutrition and strengthen the plant's long-term health. Results after 2 months. For roses, the leaves are lush and thick, and the root system has grown strong with many new fine roots emerging. The new flower stems are sturdy and evenly developed. The blooms stay fresh for a long time with vibrant red petals, bringing a lively beauty to the garden or surrounding space. For orchids, the flower spikes and buds develop evenly and firmly, with many large, bright, and long-lasting blooms. The flowers open one after another, creating a stunning display of vibrant, energetic orchids that stay beautiful for weeks. For plants like kalanchoe and anthurium, the results are also impressive. New buds and flower shoots grow evenly, preparing for a brilliant blooming period. The flower buds are large, numerous, and vividly colored, resulting in pots full of life and irresistible charm. This is a well-deserved reward for your patience and dedication. When properly nurtured, orchids will respond with abundant vitality and naturally radiant blooms. Enjoy every moment of caring for your orchids. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any new orchid care tips. Goodbye, and see you in the next video on the Great Garden channel.